In this guide, I'm going to show you how to fix the adaptive triggers if they aren't working on your PS5. Intro. First, go over to your settings and go down to where it says accessories right here and select controller general and then trigger effect intensity. Make sure this is set to strong, medium, and weak instead of off. Next, open the game's controller settings and make sure adaptive triggers or trigger effects are enabled. The game must support adaptive triggers, as some features may only work with the PS5 version of the game. Then you can go back to this controller general menu under accessories and select the DualSense wireless controller device software option and install any available update. And if they still don't work, go ahead and turn off your PS5 and hold the small reset button beside the Sony logo on the back of the controller for at least 5 seconds. Reconnect it with a USB cable and then press the PlayStation button. Before you leave, remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on for more content like this. It really does help out the channel and we'd greatly appreciate it. And if you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Peace.